Hi friends, welcome to your channel. In the channel, welcome to again mathematics tricks session number 8. Session number 8 friends. Now in our previous tricks what we have learned? Yes, about multiplication tricks, about table tricks. Now today we are going to discuss, I am happily going to explain about multiplication of any number with nines. Multiplication of any number with equal nines. For example, one digit number is multiplied with one digit 9, two digit number is multiplied with two nines, three digit number is multiplied with three nines, four digit number is multiplied with four nines. But you have to do multiply the numbers by using general method. Somewhat it will take the time, but in competitive area, speed calculation, in that time logics are very mandatory, right children? Before going to say this trick, I am requesting you have to do subscribe our channel, because this kind of beautiful things, this kind of beautiful tricks, this kind of beautiful videos will come to your child mobile. It can be useful for your child, and you also, dear friends, you have to subscribe this channel as well as give the likes and comments as possible as. Now let us see friend. First question is 35 multiplied with 99. Simple. You have to multiply with this, with 9 table, again 9 table. It will take minimum 1 minute time. You see, just count it, how many seconds you have to come with this answer. Yes, 34. Decrease one number, that means 34. 35 decrease one number, it becomes to 34. 3, which number you should add, you will get 9. Yes, 3 plus 6, 9. Now 4, which number you should add, you will get 9, 5. Your answer is 3, 4, 6, 5. Got it? Let us check it friend. Yes, 9 5s are 45, carry 4, 9 3 are 27 plus 1, 31. Again 9 table, same number will come. Am I right? Now 5, 6, 4, 3, 3, 4, 6, 5. Now let us see next number. Yes, you decrease one number, it becomes to 566. Now which number you should multiply with, which number you should add with 5, you should get 9? Yes, absolutely 4. In which number you should add with 6, you should get 9? Exactly 3. Here also 3. Now check in your calculator this answer. Yes, you can see here, very important point here. You should observe friends. Here in 99 multiplied with 35, here unit digit is 5. Here 999 is multiplied 567, unit digit is 7. Sometimes here unit digit is 0. In such cases, here we should observe 7 minus 1, 6 we have taken, 5 minus 1, 4 we have taken. But here 0 minus 1, not possible. In such case, we have to take two numbers at a time. What are the two digits here? 60. Now minus 1, 60 minus 1 means 59. This number you should write 85. Again 4 nines you should write better. Simple. Now 8, 5, 5, 9. 8, which number we should add with 8? 1 only. We should get 9. Okay. Now 5, we should add with 4. We should get 9. That means 4. Now here also 4. Here 9. If you add with 9, 0, we should get 9 only. That means 0. So you can check it. 8560 multiplied with 9999, nothing but 855914440. Your answer. You can take any kind of question, my dear friends. Now finally one more example. Let us see. 1 2 3 4 5 0. Okay. With this equal lines, 9 9 9 9 9 9, 6 9, 6 number 6 nines. Okay, this rule is very important. 50 minus 49. So this number you should write as this. Yes, I told you very clear. Now 1 is add with which digit, which number we should get 9. Yes, exactly, you are right. 1 plus 8, 9 we will get. 2 plus 7, 9 we will get. 3 plus 6, 9 we will get. 4 plus 5, 9 we will get. Again 4 plus 5, 9 we will get. 9 plus 0, 9 only. Then your answer is this one. This is a technique we have to follow. Now enjoy the magic of mathematics, dear friend. Just now we have completed about a number of digits, equal number of digits multiplied with equal number of nines, right? Now we have done many examples, but some students are asked to me, sir, different type of numbers, different type of nines, we should multiply it. In that time, what is the technique we should apply? These kind of questions are there. For example, 3 digit, 1 digit of 9. Here 4 digit number multiplied with 99, 2 digits of 9s. Here 5 digit number is multiplied with 3 9s. In such cases, we have to get the answer very easy manner. I am going to explain simple only. If you multiply with 9 table, 100% it will take more than 1 minute or 2 minutes. It is no doubt at all. But using this technique, you see that magic, you see. Simple, 567. How many 9s are there? 1 9. Take 1 0. Now this number you have to take as it is down and do subtraction. 10 minus 7, 3. It becomes to 6. 6 minus 6, 0. 6 minus 5, 1, 5. So 567 into 9, nothing but 5103. Check your calculator immediately, no doubt at all. Now let us see one more good example. 2345 multiplied with 99. Yes, simple beta. 2 3 4 5, right? How many 9s are there? 2 9s. 2 zeros you write here. 2 zeros. Now same number you can take down and do subtraction. Yes, this 10, this is 9, this is 4. 10 minus 5, 5 only. 9 minus 4, 5 only. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 3 as is right, 2 as is right. Yes, your answer is 2345 multiplied with 99 is nothing but 2,32,155, no doubt at all. Let us see one more such a good question, dear friend. Yes, 9, 8, 6, 7, 9. Here 3 9s are there. You have to write 3 zeros with respectively. Then this number has to take down. Now you see this technique, dear children. Yes. Now carry 10 means it become before number 9. It is also 9. This should be 8. Right, friends? 10 minus 9, 1 only. 9 minus 7, 2 only. 9 minus 6, 3. 8 minus 8, 0. Here carry not possible. 7 minus not possible. Again you should take the carry from this number. It becomes to 17. 17 minus 9, 8. It already plus one number means 5. You write 5 as it is. Now 8. This is 9. This is your answer, dear friend. You see, this is the kind of example you have to solve many examples. When you are seeing, when you are observing these techniques, you have to enjoy, no doubt at all. But my request is that you do practice such questions. You can take more example. You can solve. You can do it many times. You should get perfect knowledge. It can be applied in the time of exams. Now this is the time for you. Yes, I should call one of your friend, represent of your all you. He will do and he will do the answer. Let us invite him. Yes, please come here.
Hi friends, I am going to explain this answer. Yes. 4, 5, 6, 7. Here how many 9s are there? 4 9. We have to write 4 zeros here. As it is number, write down here. 7, 6, 5, 4. Then we have to subtract.
Yes.
10. 10 minus 7, 3. Here 9, 9, 9, 6. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 6 as it is, right friends? Then here 6, again 6, 4, 5. The answer is 4, friends. Thank you.
I hope that you have to understand this technique. Now I should it. You have to subscribe our channel. You have to fun with mathematics tricks and get the good subject knowledge. And many students are, they are observing when they are watching our channel, they are giving in comment section that beautiful answers also. Very good response is there. I am very happy. Now your challenging question is, let us see ya. This is your question, dear friends. Yes. Take the challenge. Happy learning. Be learn. Thank you. Thank you very much.